Standard Jobs Job Page Headers. These are the headers on the Standard Jobs page as they appear to translators and managers. There are 5 standard job headers: job reference, current work, supplier, deadline, and status. Just like in the Recent Jobs panel, the first column is job references. Again, these will vary depending on your company's naming scheme. They may be numeric, contain letters, or reference client names. The naming scheme is determined by the system admin. Clicking on these references will open the job overview. This is the same feature found in the Recent Jobs panel. The second header is Current Work. This is just like the Task and Language column of the Recent Jobs panel. The tasks include revision, translation, subtitling, and proofreading. You can also see the language pairs for each job. Notice that some languages have regional distinctions, such as British or American English. Let's look at the supplier column. The supplier column shows job assignments. The information shown here will vary depending on your role within the company. We are seeing the jobs page as a project manager or company admin. In this role, we see all jobs assigned to the company. Some jobs listed here have been assigned to specific suppliers, while others have only been assigned to the company in general. These jobs will need to be assigned to a specific supplier before they can be completed. We look more at assigning jobs in the project management course. Assigned jobs will have the supplier's name listed next to work assigned to. External translators will only see the jobs that have been specifically assigned to them. Clicking on any of the supplier names will pull up a short supplier overview similar to the job overview. External suppliers are indicated in purple, while internal suppliers are indicated in yellow. The yellow caution symbol appears next to jobs that have acceptance deadlines. This symbol indicates that the job was supposed to be accepted by a certain deadline. This date is set by the project manager. Next is the deadline column. This shows the deadline for each job. There are 3 different possible deadline colors: black, yellow, and red. Black means the deadline is in the future. Yellow indicates that the deadline is within 8 hours. It is meant to highlight that the deadline is fast approaching. If a deadline is red, the job is already overdue. This should serve as a reminder to complete these jobs as soon as possible. Once the job has been completed, the deadline will revert to black. The status column shows the different job statuses and levels of progress, for example, proposal, approved, etc. These status meanings are the same as previously discussed. If you want to change how the Standard Jobs page is organized, you can click on any of the headers. For example, if we click on the status header, the jobs will be sorted in progression. This will allow you to better manage your jobs according to your specific needs.